It's about the things that we create from within. So the buildings are a representation of something, okay? A representation of something that we have within ourselves. Because if you think about it, and this is really seems like really common sense when I say it, but it's not. If you think about it, anything that has ever been created, any structure that has ever been created was first in somebody's mind that had to jump from the barrier of our imagination, jump through the barrier of our reality and exist, come into existence. How the hell does that happen? People don't even think about it. It's like, oh man, there's a new building. That's really cool. It was in somebody's mind first, and then they created it. And we don't think about how does that come from somebody's mind and then comes into reality. Anything that happens in our life has to go through that process to exist in our life. But we don't think about it. And it's really simple. Okay? So, that's this idea of faith.